Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today we will discuss about letter writing. Now tell me, what is a letter? A letter is a form of written communication between two persons on a particular topic. Nowadays you are knowing letters written or received are becoming less and less. Why? Because of the telephone communication. But even then, it is a must and it is important. It is also a very important part of writing skill. How much knowledge of language students have acquired, it can be checked through this activity. Now we will learn about the types of letters. First, we are having the formal letters. These include official letters, business letters, letters of application, and letters to the editors, etc. These come under formal letters. Then there are informal letters. Informal letters are letters written to your friends, to your parents, to your relatives. All these come under informal letters. Now, we understood there are two types of letters. One is formal, another is informal letters. Now, what is the format of a letter? You are knowing every letter must be written in block form and thus consists of the following parts. First, writer's address. It is placed at the top left side of the paper. Then you are having the date. It is written just below the writer's address. Then you are having the salutation. Salutation means my dear friend, my dear father, whatever the salutation is. Then you are having the body of the letter. You are knowing the body of the letter varies depending on the degree of relationship between the address and the person for whom the letter is written in the address, that is writer. We can start letter writing from left margin part of the page. The portion of the letter can be divided into two paragraphs or more according to the changes of ideas. The complimentary clause or the subscription here is taken in courteous manner and hence must match the salutation. Means if you are writing my dear father, then it should be your loving son or your loving daughter, whatever it is. So it is written at the bottom of the left of the page. Then writer's signature and name. Now many times you might have seen this in the letters. Writer must sign himself or herself below the complimentary clause formed by his full name. Now, what are the instructions? In a formal letter, the name, designation and address of the person must come before the salutation, beginning from left margin of the page. Then, secrets of a good letter. Let us see what are the secrets of the good letters. Arrange your ideas and facts in a logical and progressive order. Do not change paragraph abruptly, all of a sudden. Don't change it. Keep in mind that grammatically your letter should be accurate, means correct. Correct spelling and appropriate punctuations are very important. Punctuation means full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma, everything. Now, what are the suggestions for writing a good letter? A letter is a direct address to the addressee. Hence, it must be appealing. The ideas must be original and relevant. They should include your own viewpoints and opinions on the topic only where called for. Write the letter in simple but correct English. Choose the most appropriate words, phrases, and idiomatic expressions so as to arrive at an effective style. This is very, very important. In official and commercial letters, avoid complications as far as possible because they should be to the point. After completion of the letter, check whether is it written properly. Now, why it is important? As I told you, nowadays we write many less letters. Why? Because all of us are having mobiles in our hand. Whenever we want, we can call to the person. But in olden days, when we were small, when we were young, at that time, writing letters had a great role to play in our life. We used to write nice letters to our friends, relatives, explaining about our trips and all. Now that beauty has gone in a common man's life because letter writing has become a rare thing, but it is a must. We should develop this quality because good letters are always, you are knowing, a lot of feast to the readers. And after all, it is art of writing. When we learn English, we have learned to speak English, we have learned to write English, and even this art of writing good letters is very, very important because it is to communicate between one another, and this communication can be done well in the form of writing. So I feel if you want to improve your writing English, you should practice writing good letters. Even if you don't post them, keep on writing. Keep on writing with the good words, good proverbs and what not. So already you have finished learning how to speak good English. Now you can even write good English and you can understand it in a better way. So what is needed to improve English is practice, practice, practice. There is no other shortcut. What you have to do is practice, practice, practice. I am sure speaking English you are practicing daily. All the ways you might be following, let it be JAM or Let it be speaking with your friends or speaking in front of the mirror, whatever it is. If you practice daily, you can improve without fail. I am sure. All the best.